Welcome to Legal Options. So far in this series, we have talked about online privacy, tracking, and how to control your digital footprint. Today, we're looking at the laws that protect your personal data from abuse or misuse, specifically the EU General Data Protection Regulation, the UK Data Protection Act, and Nigeria's Data Protection Act. These laws govern how personal data is processed, stored, and transferred. They aim to strengthen individual privacy rights. These laws give you real power over your information, and understanding them is the key to enforcing your rights. Every time you go online, companies collect information about you, sometimes with your permission, sometimes without it. Data protection laws exist to make sure your information is handled responsibly, transparently, and fairly. They give you rights. They set rules for organizations, and they create penalties for misuse. In short, these laws are your protective shield in the digital world. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, is one of the strongest privacy laws in the world. It applies across the European Union, but it also affects companies outside Europe that offer services to European Union residents. The General Data Protection Regulation is built on principles like transparency, fairness, and accountability. It requires organizations to tell you what data they collect, why they collect it, and how long they keep it. It also gives you powerful rights, which we will explore shortly. Notably, even after Brexit, the UK kept the European Union General Data Protection Regulation, but adapted it to its own law called the UK General Data Protection Regulation. It is supported by the Data Protection Act of 2018. However, the protections are very similar. Organizations must handle your data lawfully, keep it secured, and give you control over how it is used. For anyone living in the UK, this is the main law that governs your digital rights. Nigeria, on the other hand, introduced the Nigeria Data Protection Act in 2023. That act created a modern legal framework for privacy rights. It established the Nigeria Data Protection Commission, which oversees compliance. The Nigeria Data Protection Act requires organizations to get clear consent, protect your data, notify you of breaches, and respect your rights. The law also places strong obligations on companies to secure personal information and avoid misuse. For Nigerians and Nigerian businesses, this law is a major step forward in digital rights. Now, the core rights under these laws are nearly uniform. Although the European GDPR, UK GDPR, and Nigeria's DPA originate from different regions, they offer similar core protections. Essentially, collectively, they give you rights that include the right to know what data is being collected about you, the right to access your personal data, the right to correct inaccurate information about you, the right to request deletion of your data, the right to withdraw consent at any time, the right to object to certain types of processing, the right to move your data to another service, and altogether, the right to be informed if your data is breached. These rights put you in control, not the companies. Now, the organizations are under obligation to do certain things because these laws do not just protect you, they place strict duties on organizations. Therefore, organizations must Collect only the data they truly need. Use it only for the purpose they told you. Keep your data secured. Delete it when it is no longer needed. Be transparent about how they use your data. Report serious data breaches. And in certain instances, appoint data protection officers. If organizations fail, they can face heavy fines and legal consequences. These laws protect you every day. When you sign up for an app, when you shop online, when you use social media, or when a company wants to send you marketing messages, you are protected by these laws. The laws ensure your data is not sold behind your back, misused, or exposed without consequences. And if something goes wrong, perchance, you have the right to complain and seek remedies under these laws. Now, in the next video, we will talk about what to do when companies misuse your data, how to recognize violations, how to report them, and how to enforce your rights. It will be practical, empowering, and it is something everyone should know ordinarily. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to understand their data protection rights.